Hello friends, back with my Palm Beach 185 Bag Dancer 2002, and I thought I'd touch on what I did with this boat. That my last video I mentioned that I had made a live well because the boat came with just a tank that water just seeped in, and that was supposed to keep your fish fresh. I don't know how, but what I did is I added a aerator pump to it, and down in, this is the battery compartment, I use that, but down in it I put it underneath far enough away it won't hurt with a trailer with a screen on top, because here's what happened. When you're running along with your boat, the one in the back that it came with right here comes out of the water, and so it's not pumping any water. So that's why instead of connecting to that one, I added a whole separate one. So what I did, I ran it, and let me see if you can see it here. See, I got a little friend there, but I ran it down through, and I ran it across over to the aerator. And of course your recyclable tube that goes in, the water overflows, so you don't overflow the top of it. But I took PVC and drilled holes in it and mounted it against the wall right there. So that's what I did with this. When it came, it just came in an empty box with a tube that water somehow would come in, and it wouldn't recycle. You couldn't keep fish fresh. So here's a timer for the live well that I installed, and this is the bait well. So you turn it and it will turn on and off automatically. The longer between turning on as you turn it clockwise. But I hooked the live well up to one too, so I hope that may help you. And also, as you notice, that's not the cooler seat. You probably have the cooler seat, bench seat with yours. Well, that's no good when you want to bass fish and you have a partner in the bass fishing. So I installed this, and which works really good. I put this mat down, and then I put this platform that can be in it. Goes right over there, goes right over here where you can stand on it. I'm going to pressure wash the boat, so that's why I didn't put it back down, because it is really dingy from the oil from the motor and all that. So I'm going to pressure all wash that and then put it back down. So this is what I did. I took out the old bench seat with the cooler and installed this tripod and put a seat on it. It works out really good. And that's the finished product. Hope you enjoyed this video.